Hi friends, my name is Jay Poladia and you're watching Eco Lovers Library. Uh, so this is kind of a digital library that I'm trying to create and this mainly to create awareness as well as to share some tips and tricks and tips to accommodate eco-friendly techniques in our day-to-day life and also to discuss some of the quick hacks around this and create awareness for us and for the future generation. So there's one interesting story about it. Why I'm starting with this and is I was sitting around in the morning in the afternoon actually. So I was feeling hot and I was trying to I was going to start the AC and so I'm basically from Mumbai, and this is the just start of summer, and I checked on my phone and it was showing me 35 degrees. So I was like thinking that it's just a start of summer and it is showing me 35 degree at around 12 or 12:30 in the afternoon. So that made me curious to check out what is it that is causing such climate change. Uh, so there are some interesting facts and stories that I want to share with you guys and want to create some awareness around it. And I will try to get the more contents related to it for you guys, and also to create awareness as well as to share some tips and tricks that you can accommodate in your daily lifestyle without hitting your pocket and not changing your lifestyle much. So that's what the idea is. So without wasting time, let me share my screen and show you what facts I've gathered. So we are on the screen now, and yeah, this is the slide deck I've created for you guys. So why slide deck? Because I'm a software engineer by profession, and I deal with slide deck and every now and then. So yeah, that's the reason, and yeah. Uh, so let's come to the topic again. Why climate change? So there are many reasons about it, rather causes. But these three are the top three causes are carbon emissions and greenhouse gases effects. Then deforestation, those are actually due to, I mean, for all three are the byproduct of industry revolution era, and yeah, the third one is the non-composable products like single-use plastic or e-waste that we have, ICs and all. Now this next slide talks about a little bit on how the carbon emission breakup globally. So China contributes to 28%, US is 15%, India stands on 7%, Russia fourth place, and rest of the world around 45%. So what world is doing about it to control the climate change? So there's an organization called World Resource Institute, which is a non-profit organization, has taken the initiative to monitor carbon emission in major countries for greenhouse gases accounting, including India. And G20 summit also, there's the top 10 priority issues to be to have been discussed, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also expressed her thoughts to take lead on providing solutions on renewable energies, and yeah, and India is really looking forward to be taking the lead on this. The third one is the different countries, governments are offering different lucrative offers for the new entrepreneurs to come ahead and contribute in renewable energy areas and green solutions. So the next thing is what are we doing in India? So Indian government in conjunction with WRI and CII, as we talked already, running Indian GHG program and greenhouse gas accounting. Government has started a subsidy investment program to attract new entrepreneurs in this area. So, if you have heard of different subsidies being provided for electric vehicles, uh, and some small and medium businesses getting some subsidies from governments, especially in these areas, there are many more subsidies given. Also, consumer benefit subsidy program on income tax relief, on road tax deduction, and so far and so forth. And other programs are also there state-wise. So I'll try to create a much more detailed video on this sometime. Uh, but yeah, if you want to know about this in more detail, please mention in the comment areas. Uh, yeah, the next thing is renewable energy projects have been started. So in India, already Indian government is pushing towards the wind energy farming and solar energy power farming. Also, there's a committee being created for National Action Plan on Climate Change. There's a seven-step plan that has been already taken up, and I'll put more details in description. You can go on the link and check it out. Uh, yeah. So the next question is, what we need to do. Like, government is doing, the whole world is doing something, right? So what we need to do is start using the alternatives, eco-friendly alternatives, small things that we can do in daily lives, right? Um, I'll try to collate those things in next videos and spread the awareness about the same. Now we need to teach our next generation about the importance of nature. Uh, yeah, indeed, we already have that subject in our school, but still, we need to make them understand the importance about it, and let's give our next generation better world to live in. So that's the motive about this video, and I hope you liked it.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video till end, and I hope you liked it. Um, and I'm hoping to see many more comments and suggestions to improve my video. Because this is a first attempt, so you might see some disturbances, and I'll try to improve in the next videos. So please do like if you like my video, and please do subscribe to it. Thank you.